I'm Dr. Linda Gromko, and this is Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Today we're looking at a question of the week, and that question is, what can I do to hide my female chest? So this question comes from a transmasculine individual who wants top surgery, but he can't have it for several years. He wants to have gender-affirming chest surgery to create a masculine chest contour, but he can't have the surgery yet, and he wants some pointers to get him through the next few years. So here's the surgery that he wants. This is gender-affirming chest reconstruction or top surgery, but it's going to take him some years to get the resources together. This surgery was done by Dr. Mangubat, and you can see how the female chest is now contoured to create a very male-appearing chest. So let's talk about several ideas, but these ideas could easily apply to a gender non-binary person or anybody else who simply wishes to create a more masculine or less feminine-appearing chest, even if it's for a temporary period of time. So idea number one, chest binders or binders are like spandex tank tops. They flatten the breast to create a more masculine chest. They come in different styles, but they can be tight enough to make breathing uncomfortable, and they can limit athletic activities, and they can be difficult for people with asthma and other respiratory difficulties, so you want to be aware of that. Binders are not cheap. They usually run from about 30 to 60 bucks. You can find them online. GC2B, TomboyX, Underworks, and several other companies make these, and if you really cannot afford a binder, there is a wonderful program from Point of Pride. You can get a free, gently used clean binder through their binder donation program, and you can see on the right, when you get your free binder, you also get a really nice note from the person who donated it. It's really a nice touch. Idea number two is trans tape. Trans tape is placed directly on the skin, and it can be worn for several days. Now, the tape is positioned to compress and relocate the breast. It kind of pushes them into the armpits a bit, and it makes the whole chest appear flatter. There are special skincare instructions that a person needs to observe, but you can swim, sleep, and shower with trans tape, which is a wonderful advantage for many people. A point of caution here, though, is do not use ace bandages or duct tape on your chest to bind. These are unsafe products to use, so avoid those. Idea number three, look up Spanx for men. These are like compressive t-shirts or shapers, shapewear. They are made by several companies. They run about 50 bucks and up. They can be used for people who want their contour to be slimmer, and they can be perfect for people who have a smaller chest to start out with. Idea number four here are two time-honored tricks that have been used by trans men forever. The first one is to buy a compressive sports bra that's designed for women, and I find that Title IX is one of the best resources for kind of gender neutral, but very compressive sports bras that can really help. And then, of course, many people will wear a tank top and a baggy shirt in layers, and sadly, sometimes people do this, but also have poor posture to try to conceal their chest contour, so be aware of that if that's your fallback. I hope these ideas help. If so, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have a question that you'd like to submit to be used for a question of the week, please submit it to the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.